That's very nice as well.
Alright, we're in here with Mavis's wee babies. Oh my goodness, little eyes are open. You're gonna have to put up with me being all snuffly through this video, I'm sorry. I'll try not to snuffle too much. Anyway, I'm gonna separate little boys and girls, and then we'll have a better look at them. I got interrupted. So, I'm back in the puppy pen. We just did a little tour with some visitors. I got a little white spot on this little baby. Huh, that's interesting. Okay. So, are you a boy or a girl? I can't see in the video, so I'm going to lift you up, honey, and just have a little peek. That's a wee baby boy. I was going to separate boys and girls. I'll see if Mommy minds. What a difference in color, eh? So beautiful. Alright, I'll have to try to do this quick before Mom starts moving them around again. So, pretty uniform in size. I can see a little one on the end there. It looks a little smaller. So I'll take a peek at them. Oh my goodness, they don't want to cooperate with me. So, beautiful baby boys. Pretty amazing. Doing great. Wow. So beautiful. This video is not really going to show the color on these puppies. These are gorgeous dark puppies. Hey, mister, you're pretty wiggly. You get back here. Mr. Wiggly, that's the littlest one. And the wiggliest one. Look at them. So here's our wee baby girls. Gorgeous, gorgeous puppies. Oh, the boys are moving right in. They all like to be in the big puppy pile. They're doing awesome. And Mavis is being a great, great mommy. So 3 little boys there. And this big monster boy on top. Oh, Mr. Monster. There you go. That's not from the puppies biting. I was playing with one of the dogs. Their nails were sharp. Look at that. Oh my goodness, what a lovely bunch of babies. Lovely bunch of coconuts. You guys are the color of coconuts. Oh, let me see this silly little baby that's upside down. Hi, silly baby. Where are you going? Where are you going to be adopted to? You sweet baby? You're very cute. You're very cute. Oh, it was a big yawn. Oh my goodness. Oh, they're so amazing. Are you too tubby to roll over? Oh my goodness, you better just keep trying. Big pup. Listen to you guys. Next week we'll be getting baby barks and baby growls. I heard a little growl this morning. And we were touching them and moving them around. Got a couple little growls. It was funny. Aw. It's supposed to be 16 degrees out here today, but I've got my coat on. I don't know. It's not that warm. And they like to get into a little pile and stay warm. Mom's feeding them up really, really good. She takes such good care of them. So there's Mavis's babies, 2 weeks old. Eyes are opening. I don't know if I got that in the video, that the eyes are open. But they are. Hi. Aw, back to sleep. Little guy wants to get in there and get in the mix of the pile. He doesn't want to be on top. It's cold when you're on top. You gotta get under there. Let that baby in. Get that baby in there. Alright, kids. I'll let you have a little nap. Oh, they're so beautiful.